Building an electric bike can be a great project for an electronics hobbyist, and a finished e-bike is very useful and rewarding to ride knowing you've built it yourself. Since I completed my bike, I've logged about 500 miles on it, and I've learned a lot about electric vehicles and how to make a reliable product. During my bike commute, I've also had other people tell me about their desire to build an e-bike, but most seem a bit intimidated by the thought of taking this project on by themselves. When I first started planning, I spent a lot of time piecing together a list of components which I thought would work together, and then fought through problems while integrating everything, from lacing the wheel and motor, to building the battery, getting good control over the throttle, and finally programming a display to interface with it all. Based on this experience, I'm offering my design, fully documented with detailed photos, videos, description, and tips for assembly and integration during every stage of the process. The materials walk you through the step-by-step process from lacing and truing the motor and rim to soldering the BMS and battery pack. I've also detailed things like wire harness construction for connecting everything together, and completed guides and starter files for all of the software configuration needed to get going. These serve as a template for you to expand on in the future. The e-bike is based around a nominal 250 watt rated rear hub motor and a VESC, which is an open source, highly capable motor controller with a strong reputation in the electric skateboard community. The bike includes the ability to integrate throttle and pedal sensors, and has a customizable dashboard for changing settings and displaying things like battery status, lifetime use, and typical bicycle computer statistics. I've also compiled a complete bill of materials with vendor information for every last item you'll need to complete the project. This way there won't be any delays caused by things like ordering the wrong connector or running short on wire when you're almost done. And if you'd prefer to source all the materials at once, I'm offering a complete kit as a higher backer level where you can order everything needed to get going at once. I hope you find this useful and interesting, and you'll consider becoming a backer and get more involved in the electric bicycle community by building one yourself.